জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয় অনাথের নাথ তারকেশ্বরী দাও বরা ভয় দুর্দিনে করো দয়া জগদীশ্বরী ভাঙো সংশয় দুর্বলে দাও বল ভয় নাশিনী জাগো শক্তি রূপে জয় মা পুণ্য আশিস দাও পাপ নাশিনী জাগো ভক্তি রূপে জয় মা এসো ভক্তের ডাকে এসো মা এসো কল্যাণময়ী এসো মা এসো মঙ্গলময়ী এসো মা এসো মা জয় মা জয় মা জয় মা জয় মা
Lourdes, I think I couldn't satisfy you with my songs. But how do I chant the holy mantras? I don't know any of them. And even grandfather is not here to chant.
धय दिव्यं विशालाक्ष्मीं तप्त जम्बू नौद प्रभाम दिभुजामो बिकां चंडिं खर्ग खेटक धारिणीं नानालंकार शुभगम रक्तांबर धरां शुभम ओम ह्रीं विशालाक्षीं नमः
Mother? Deepu!
Mom, what happened? Mom!
I won't go with you. Stop this nuisance, Deepu. It's a minor injury and I don't need medical help. I will apply first aid at home. I won't go with you. I won't go. I have been repeating the same thing since so long.
Mom, what are you saying? Why did you come out?
Sanjukta, don't you think you are being a little hyper? You are overreacting it. You are not ready to go as there is impending danger for Deepu, Mom, Pratima and everybody else. Told him not to go, but you are silent. You are not stopping him.
What is this, Mother? What have you done? You've hurt your head because of me. I thought you would be happy if I stayed away from you, Mother. I'm a worthless daughter. I hurt you when I'm with you and even when I'm away. What shall I do now? Shall I get water for you? No, I'll get medicines. Nayan. Lord has answered my prayers. She has brought Nayan back in my life. You didn't think about me before leaving home at all. You didn't even think of this old man. You left home. You left home without informing anyone. Stop it. There is no need to wipe my tears. Why didn't you think twice before hurting me? Grandfather, look how mother is reacting.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry with your daughter. You're happy that you and your daughter have reunited. Nayan, always remember this. All our fates are interconnected. Whatever we do and wherever we go, we'll do it together. Don't try to run away from us. If you stay here, then we'll also stay here.
No, grandfather, don't do this. We will do this now. If you speak a word, then. Mother, you're just not my mother. Kumu is also your daughter. She's alone in the village. What about her?
Don't talk about her. Don't take her name. She's a selfish girl and wants to live alone. Let her live alone. Let her stay alone, eat alone, and live alone. A selfish girl like her should stay alone.
No, mother. You are saying this because you are angry. She wanted to be happy in life. Is it wrong to wish for happiness in life? She has a lot of dreams. It's a dream that her husband will come to that house. It won't be possible if I stay there. So, she didn't want me to be present there. Don't shatter her dreams, mother. I beg of you. Please go back. Please go back to Kumu, mother, please. What about you? Don't you wish to be happy in life? Even you could have got married. The wedding bells could have rung for you. Don't you think it could have happened? Don't you? Not everybody has the right to dream, mother. Dreams are not meant for everybody. Now don't be late. It's a long way back. If you don't start now, you'll reach home at night. The sun is going to set. Please leave now, mother. But Nayan...
Nayan is absolutely right. You have another daughter.
But I don't wish to see her face, father.
What's this? This is not right. She is young, so she made a mistake. Elders can't remain upset for too long. Please forgive her. Calm down and go home. You stay with Kamini and I'll stay with Nayan.
Grandfather, you will stay with me?
Yes, I will, Nayan. How can I leave you alone? I've left one temple to come and reside in a new one. I'll stay with my granddaughter. Your mother will visit us occasionally. You want to get Nayan married, right? If Mother Goddess wishes, then Nayan's husband, he will come here. If you wish, then Nayan's husband will come here. Isn't it, Mother?
Be right here, my child. The person will come.
I hope his words come true. I wish it does. I will leave now.
Have a safe journey.
Let's go, mother. I'll see you off.
You are Deepu's mother. He won't stop out of the house if you stop him. Sanjukta, won't you ask him to stay back at home?
What do I say? I am Deepu's mother. If everybody thinks that his life is in danger, then he shouldn't go. But he has to think about his career as well, right? I just want to say that this is the beginning of his professional life. He needs to build good professional image. If he doesn't go to check the plot of land today, then the work of the resort will not start, right? This is why I'm not sure what to say.
Dad, Mom is absolutely right. If I start thinking about risks and stay back, then due to that, my career will suffer a lot. The most important thing is I have my mom's blessings. Nothing will happen to me. There's no harm that can come to me. You please don't worry. I'll go to Madhavpur.
I couldn't stop Deepu. Hey Lord, please protect Deepu.
You better be careful, okay, Mom? I'll see you.
Bye. I will take care, but who will take care of you, Deepu?
Please take care, Mother. And do not scold Kumu at all, okay? If you miss me and feel like meeting me, come to the temple. We'll chat with each other. But how will you go home, Mother? Come, I'll ask this man to drop you. There will be an accident. I just saw it.
Whose accident?
I don't know. I don't know, Mother.
I've opened the pipe of the brake oil. After some time, the brake will stop working. And I've also loosened the screws of the car's wheel. As the car picks up speed and moves forward, the wheel will detach from the car exactly as I had planned. After that, Deepu,
After that, we'll organize a funeral meet for Deepu. We'll shed lots of tears for him, isn't it, Vicky?
You go home, Mother. You go. I'll go back to the temple.
Nayan! No!
Whose car did you show me? Who's going to meet with an accident? Lotus, please tell me. Don't be quiet. Please tell me. Please tell me, Lotus. Don't remain silent. Tell me.
What's the matter? Why are you so restless? I am sure you saw something.
Yes, grandfather. I saw a car. An accident.
Car? What kind of car?
A big car. A very big car. Where will the accident take place? And how will I save the victim?
Calm down, Nayan. Calm down.
How can I stay calm, grandfather, after seeing something like this? Tell me.
You won't be able to think unless you calm down. Calm down and think how we can save the passengers in the car.
Yes, grandfather. We must save them. It was a big car. Won't people be able to locate if we describe it?
But how is that possible? There are many big cars. You can't locate a car like that. Every car has a number plate. Every car has a different number too. Did you see the number? If we remember the number, then we can locate it.
Number?
Yes, it is written in the front part of a car.
What if the number is written there? I don't know English. How will I understand the number? Was it the car's number? I remember the image distinctly.
Man, what are you mumbling to yourself?
Grandfather, remember the rice flour that the market sellers gave us? Tell me, where is it?
What will you do with the rice flour? What are you doing? Are you going to draw patterns now?
Grandfather, something like this was written in front of the car. Is it the...
Yes, this is the car's number. This is exactly how it is. Wow, you just came up with a solution. We need to locate the car with its registration number. And then we can save everyone in that car.
But on which road was the car running? I don't know that road.
You don't know?
No, grandfather. It was raining very heavily. Nothing was visible because of the rains. There was thunder and lightning. The weather here is not like this.
There's no sign of rain here. The sky is crystal clear.
Then why did I foresee it, grandfather?
That's right. Won't your visions come true this time? And you know what? It's better if it's not true. You foresee the impending dangers and rush to save people. But people blame you for the mishaps. So it's better if your visions don't come true.
My visions have never been untrue till date.
Come in. Come, Gurudev. Please come in.
Hail, priest, hail, priest.
Please be seated.
I am very worried, Vicky. If he assesses Deepu's horoscopes and predicts that his life is in danger, then there'll be a problem. Tapabrata and mother will warn Deepu. They will ask him to come back.
To return home, Deepu has to drive all the way back. And he won't be able to stop the car. I've already removed the brakes of the car, so the car won't stop. And you know what will be Deepu's outcome? He's destined to die today, Sanjukta. Nobody will be able to save him.
There's some problem with the brakes. I told Bishu that I'll drive on the highway. Why didn't he check the car before I left? Maybe I'm making some mistake. I've driven cars abroad all these years, so I might be finding the car systems difficult here. No, it's evening. I won't stop here. I'll try and cover as much distance I can.